Hi friends, how are you doing? How's lockdown treating you? Hope things are very well. Uh, thing is, today I thought I'll talk about difference between the business and brands. I always say branding is this, branding is that, and you should be doing this when it comes to brand. What's wrong with business? So this is a question asked my one of my client. I said he was saying you always talk about doing brands, becoming a brand, and Then I realized so true. Yeah. So what's wrong with business? This must be addressed first before I talk about brand, right? See, there is nothing wrong with the business. Okay. Before I move into that, with your permission, I want to introduce myself. I'm Praveen Bandari, business branding specialist from Mumbai. So today I'll be talking about the difference between business and brand. Like why I say try and become a brand rather than just doing your business. Okay. So very simply, if I put this very simply, branding gets you recognition that you need. That's one thing. But let me get into the let me kind of break down the things into a simpler form where you could understand difference between business and the brand. That would help you to take a call whether you want to take a brand route or not. That's something I'm explaining in this video. First of all, how business starts. You have a product, you have a service, so there is a X amount of investment that you want to put and start the business, or you borrow, beg, whatever you can, but you start that business based on the idea that you have. Then, when you have this product or service, you look for the target customer whom to sell, and you see a decent target customer. Okay, these are the people whom I want to sell, and you build your product accordingly. You do study little bit upon the target audience, how to reach them. You do little googling and everything. Then you come take your product or service into the market. You start selling it. India being a country with a population of more than 150 crores, it's quite easy for us to sell anything when it comes to business. But there is one problem that you could see. When you start selling with time, all the contacts, all the people you know, all the people they know, your clients know, they all get consumed. So what happened was, when you started it as a business, right? You started it as a business. You had a clarity about target audience. You had target of product or a service, but that connection between your consumer and your product was missing. Because of which, what happens? People consume your product or service. They pay X amount. Somebody else see your business which is growing in a decent way, they also come up with similar product or service. There is a price war. They also start selling their product, because automatically the price war comes. Now slowly many people comes into that area doing the same business, thinking uska chal raha hai, mera bhi chalega. And what you end up doing is cutting throat of each other, selling short, and doing a lot of things, taking shortcut to how to sell, yeah, taking each other's clients. This is where the business leads, because you have not planned anything on how you will develop the connection between your clients. What are the things that you need to have in place so that your customers will be linked with you? This is what is missing. So nowadays people do digital marketing, where they do Facebook groups, Facebook community. Yes, that's a good idea. That's you have to do that. But I'm saying, whenever you do that, if you do not have a personality, this branding is personality, right? So if you don't have a personality to talk to customer about your product and service, then that connection won't establish. When I talk connection, see, if I'm a business and you're my consumer, what you will be doing is you'll be coming, you'll be buying, you'll be checking the product, you'll be checking the feature. Okay, this product is good, you'll go back, use it. Tomorrow you may find something else which is equivalently good and you may use it when it is a less price. But suppose I'm a person, I'm not a business, I'm a person. I talk to you in a certain way. I may say like, hello, how are you doing? How everybody is at home? Oh, great! Thanks for coming and buying this product. Be my guest. Have this, use this Facebook group where you can see more about us, learn more about us. I'll be sending regular emailers to you so that you will be in touch. And what you're doing. You're talking, and you're developing that relation. Businesses can't do that. Brands can do this. So, branding is giving face or giving a personification to your business where it could communicate with your customer. So, this is where business and brand is different. So, this is why I say if you're planning, or if you already have a business, if you already have a product or service, what you must be doing is, along with product and service that you're developing, you must develop a relation between your brand and your consumer. You need to give a personality to your business. I'm not saying you become the face of the business and you go out and give everything to your client as I'm the one who is a superhero and I'll serve you all. No, rather give a face to your business, add characteristics to your business, make it a human, make that business into human which could communicate. There are many ways to do that. This is where brand comes into the picture. This is a basic difference, I would say. Thank you so much for listening to this video, and I hope this video could have added value to you. I'll be developing more videos on this direction. I'll be talking about sensory branding in my next video. So how sensory branding helps. So stay tuned in. See you in my next video during the time. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.